How to combine videos on Instagram Reels. For that, you have to open the Instagram application and sign into your Instagram account. Now tap on profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. At the top, you can see the plus icon. Simply tap on it and now select the Reels. You can either combine the videos uploading from your gallery, or you can also tap on the top left corner's camera button and you can record the videos itself here. Once you record or you upload the video from your gallery, you have to tap on align button, which is at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you have selected the align button, you have to record another video or upload from your gallery. After that, you have to select the next button at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you can see that we have already combined the videos on Instagram Reels. If you would like to edit the video, you can tap on edit video button and edit the video. After you have customized the options and edited the video, select the next button. Now tap on continue and you can also edit the cover, write a caption, tag people, rename the audio and many more, and tap on the next button in order to upload it. Now tap on share. So we have already combined the videos on Instagram Reels and uploaded it as well. So that's how we combine the videos on Instagram Reels. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.